Hey guys, this is Skips with Phil's Boards. Welcome to my garage. Hey, the slideshow you just watched was how I assembled and figured out the measurements of where I needed to put my holes in my rails and my legs in order to use the 22.5 degree adjustment on the miter saw. In a second here, I'll show you. I'll kind of walk through it in the video. But I also wanted to say that if you like what you saw, or if you want to see something else, I'm always making jigs. Please subscribe to my channel. This is the first video that I'm actually making and publishing like this. If I see some more, then I'll go ahead and make some more. You know, I do a lot of the stuff here in my shop in order to make things a little bit easier on myself. It's just a garage. I call it a shop. But hit the subscribe button and maybe the notification button if you want. I'll be that guy for a second, right? So anyway, enjoy the rest of the video and see ya. So those are the basic steps in order to figure out how to get that 22.5 degree angle right there at your bottom leg. As you can see, what I did is I made a frame with my round over. My frames are 2.5 inches thick. I built my handles in. On the front edge here, you'll see this piece of wood right there. That's just a dummy deck. So I'm trying to get up to 12 inches on the top of my deck. So that's just something that's there right now so that I can make this leg a little longer and stick it out in one of those pictures so that I can mark it and then find the center of that parallelogram square, you know, thingy. So these are 22.5 inch from the miter slot. The leg went up. I measured it. That whole jig thing that I had there was just to hold that frame at that right height. And I measured it, found the center, went over to my drill press, drilled a hole. This frame right here is not glued together. It's just, it's my prototype frame basically. So what I'm going to do is, now that I've got these measurements exactly how I want them for how I build my frames, I'll disassemble this and I'll set up Hunter's jig so that I can slide this right in and get my hole in the same place every single time. I hope you guys found this helpful. I struggled with this for a while to get it done. So once I finally figured out how I'm going to do it, I thought it would be best just to share this information, and maybe it helps out one of you guys in the collective or abroad and something else. So thanks again. Have a great day. See ya. Cheers.